Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali and in this video I'll show you how to convert your current CV from this to this Europass CV for free. So simply go to Google and search for Europass. Open first European Union website and click on login. Now click on create an account if you don't have one. I already have an account, so we'll simply log in. Now here you have two options. Either you upload your existing CV and system will fetch the details from your existing CV, or you create new CV from scratch. I'll click on create my profile from scratch. We'll enter here my personal details like name, passport number, work permit number if you have valid one, then enter date of birth and other details as well. Once you are done with personal information, click on next. Now here you will need to type your work experience. I'll copy paste work experience from this existing CV to show you. If you have experience with multiple employers, you may add new experience as well by clicking on add new. Now go to next section where you need to add educational details such as your qualification name, institution name, etc. Once you are done with educational details, go to next and the last section, which is personal skills, where you can add your language skills and your profession related skills. Once done, click on create and your profile is almost ready. Now if you would like to add your photo, click here on edit, select your picture, crop it and save. To add a summary on the top of your CV, we'll click on edit and here you can enter your professional summary. Click on save and that's all. Now it's time to export it in a PDF Europass version. We'll go to my Europass, click on create a CV and select start from your profile. If you wanna add it to include something else, you can say yes I do, else say no thanks and proceed. Now here are the 4 templates, colors, text size, etc. which you can select as per your preference. You can also decide whether or not you wanna show Europass logo on your CV. I'll go with this template as it looks good and clean format. Choose a CV name and click on download. And here we go, as you can see our Europass CV is ready. So this is how you can create a Europass CV for free. I do hope you find this video useful. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.